Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to use your ZTE Android TV box if your remote is not working. If your remote is not working on ZTE Android TV box, you can either use Google Home app. You can just get Google Home app, then set it up, and in devices, you'll see local devices. I have my Android TV right here. I can click on remote and use this remote here. If this doesn't work, then I'll show you a solution later. Now you can also use a mouse, a computer mouse. You can see I have a computer mouse right here with the USB port. You can plug in the USB on the right side of the ZTE box. It is right here. Now you can use the mouse as you typically would. And now let's try to fix the remote. Maybe the batteries are discharged, and to check it, try pressing on the power button. If the power button works, then it's not battery's fault, but something else's. If even the power button doesn't work, just replace the batteries. You can simply take them out and put new in. Now, if your remote is working with the power button, but other buttons aren't working, there's a high chance that in settings, once you go to device preferences, I'm using a mouse currently, you can go to accessibility and now go to device info AIDL service. And if it's enabled, disable it. I'll enable it for a moment to show you that when it's enabled, the remote just doesn't work besides the back button and power button. And once I disable it in settings, device preferences, accessibility, device info AIDL service, I can disable it, click on OK, and it's done. And that will be about it. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.